All right, today I've got a new product to show you. This is a bed liner mat by AAA Liner. This fits the 2017 through 2024 Super Duty bed. This one I have here is the 6'9" bed. You can see it's got this raised lip around the edges there. It is a precision fit exactly around this bed, even the bed bolts. You've got that area right there where the bed bolts, it's raised over those bed bolts. The material feel is almost like a rubber, but it is like a formed plastic, so it's not going to go anywhere. Also, the pieces that you set on top of here are not going to go anywhere. It is exact fit over the bed ribs here, where you can see it's exactly contoured to those. You do even have the cutouts for the factory fifth wheel prep. If you've got that on your F250, 350, or 450, you can cut that. I did trim a little bit on an edge right here just to kind of see how easily it can be trimmed. There's just a little nub right there on the end that I trimmed it off. So you can trim this out around the fifth wheel prep if you're wanting to leave this in. Mine does not have the fifth wheel prep, but you can kind of feel, you can cut it down flush, you know, right here. Or you can use the same hole saw you use in the bed to cut those holes out. Like I said, it's fitted perfectly. It's not sliding in any way. They do have it where there's no lip on this outer edge here, so it just runs continuously smooth off that edge there. I still do recommend from time to time taking this out of the bed, cleaning underneath it. I wanted a little extra protection on the bed itself for mine. You can see I do have a spray-in bed liner, but I'd much rather, if I scuff this up, I'd much rather be replacing this bed liner than replacing my my spray-in bed liner. They're relatively cheap compared to the price, say, of your spray-in. It does come folded in the box, so kind of where those lines are, it's going to be folded in the box. I let mine sit outside for about a day or so, a couple hours at least, in the hot sun, and it seems to mold back to the bed perfectly. I think it was folded like 2 or 3 times. No problems there. This again is made by a company called AAA Liner. I'm going to have some affiliate links at the bottom of this video if you're interested in this product. If this was useful or helpful for you, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.